India's drug regulator has waived the requirement for foreign vaccine companies to conduct a post-launch bridging trials. That's the big breaking news coming in. This is to test the quality and stability of their COVID-19 vaccines. The waiver offered if they have approvals for restricted use from specific countries or health bodies or listed in the WHO emergency use listing. So India's drug regulator has waived the requirement for foreign vaccine companies. Milan Sharma is joining me for all the latest on that. Milan, over to you. That could be a big moment considering the government is planning to inoculate as many people as possible.
Well, that's right, Pooja. In fact, according to the Drug Controller General of India, the vaccines that have been approved by credible regulatory bodies in the US, European Union, UK and Japan, or by the WHO, they will be exempted from the requirement of conducting any sort of post-approval bridging clinical trials. So that is done, and every batch of their vaccine need not be tested in the Central Drugs Laboratory in Kasauli. This is being done to expedite vaccines. We know that foreign-made vaccines are eager to come to India. India is already in talks with Moderna, Pfizer, as well as Johnson & Johnson. So that being said, it takes a lot of time when the vaccine batches go to CDL Kasauli and then come back after a review of sterility and toxicity. These are tests that are done to check for vaccine batches that are okay to be administered to people, and that is a clause that's being done away with for vaccines that will be coming to India, and certainly it will lead to a faster, more expedited rollout of vaccines for the country.
All right. Thank you so much, Milan, for all the latest on this big breaking news.